Hello everyone, welcome to our Python programming language course. This is our very first lesson and we will devote it to understand some theoretical knowledge about programming. So let's understand, what is a computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions that we give to a computer to tell it what to do. And we have to give these instructions to the computer in a language they understand. This language is called a programming language. There are so many programming languages out there. These ones, on the pictures below, are the most popular ones. So for example, C++ is a very powerful language used to create some powerful applications, heavy applications like games, operating systems, and so on. Java programming language is used currently for Android development, backend web development, and so on. Another very popular language with so many frameworks is JavaScript. It is used mostly for front-end development, also back-end development, also mobile development, and so on. And our favorite language that we're going to start learning is Python. Why Python is very good? Because it's extremely useful for coding, especially for beginners. It is quick and efficient. It is user-friendly, and there are some modules like Turtle module, especially for kids' education. For adults, for example, for specialists, Python can offer services for data science, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. So you see, it's a very powerful language. And in order to start using this language, in order to start playing around with the code, we need a special program called editor, or IDE, Integrated Development Environment. You can install these programs on your machine and start coding, or you can use online editors, and in this course we will use one of the online editors using web browser, for example Google Chrome. And I will show you in our next lesson how to open it, how to access it, and how to start coding. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in our next lessons. Bye bye.